my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Okay, so we are doing a jellyfish cocktail, but it's quite a prominent blue. So I'm going to make my own aura gel. I've already prepped my nail. We've got our nail prep and bonder down, and then I've base coated and this has been cured. So I've got my dual form all sized up and ready to go. So Nailchemy do an absolutely beautiful pastel blue aura, absolutely gorgeous. However, we need a bright blue that's kind of multi-tonal. So I'm using the blue artisan paint, and I'm just gonna drop a blob on there. And with my spatula, not
dotting tool,
I'm just gonna run that through like this. So this is gonna get a little bit messy, but it's all good. It's all good. I need to use the soft white as well. So what I'm going to do, first things first, I'm going to get a small amount, just a very small amount of the soft white. I'm going to pop that up on the top of my dual form. So, what's this one called again? A jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
So if you don't know what a jellyfish cocktail looks like, go and Google it, because it is the prettiest drink I've ever seen. I would have one just because of how it looks.
Yeah, I don't even think I care what it tastes like. I couldn't even tell you what was in it.
But it looks like the ocean. It's blue and white and all kind of mashed in. So I'm going to leave that like that. And then what I'm going to do with my spatula, scoop up some of that and pop that in. But the trick is to not, when you're doing any marble, don't overblend it, because we want those colours running into one another. So like I said, this is going to get a little bit messy because your polygel is one consistency, and obviously we've added the, oh my god,
oh wow,
we've added the artisan. My brain has just exploded.
She's got bank holiday brain today.
Look at that, look how pretty that is. So yeah, we've got the artisan paints in there, which is quite sticky. So you'll need to keep coming back into your slip solution. I need to get a little bit more white in there, I think, don't I? Just pop that down for a sec, clean my spatula. So let's get a little bit of white. And I'm just going to try and get some of this white down in one of these corners, I think. So we need to make sure that this isn't too thick. So I am going to pull this down. Obviously it's going to make it very long, but we can cut lengths off. But look at that. Sam, how pretty does that look?
It looks amazing.
So it's still a little bit darker than an actual, what's it called again?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. I keep wanting to call it a blue lagoon, but it's not a blue lagoon. Right, so I'm going to line this up now. Sam, you need the torch. Oh, I'm excited for this one. So line it up, make sure you come in at quite a steep angle. And I'm just going to slowly press this down. Don't press too hard, don't bring it too flat. Okay, Sam, if you could cure me.
I'm not ever going to be able to cure you.
Well, no. So what you're seeing now is the back of the lamp. That's the button. Okay, that feels nice and secure now, so I can let go. The lamp can go off, and then that can go into the lamp for a full cure. Okay, so when that comes out, we need to give this a little wiggle to release. just rock it left and right. Obviously don't twist it too much, it is attached to your client's finger. So just a little, that one's, there we go. Oh, look at that. Right, so need to tidy up these edges. So again, I need to come in with my soft white around the top, but I need to do that very carefully so that I don't pull it down too far over the blow. Cannot get my words out today. So I'm just going to give that a bit of a buff so that it sticks. Come back a bit for me, stand back there. Right, so spatula, soft white, so back in with my soft white, just a small amount, pop that on and work that around your cuticle. But when you're happy, that can go into the lamp. Okay, so I'm going to wipe over this with the Kiwi nail plate cleanser. Give that a good scrub. Oh, I love those blues together.
Yeah.
And then we need to, nail doesn't really need filing up because it was done in the dual form, so it's already got a nice shape to it. But obviously where I've added the extra cuticle bit in and a little bit more of an apex, it just needs a little bit of refining. We have to do this one glossy, don't we? This one has to be a glossy finish.
Be a gloss finish on that one.
Okay, so give that a dust off and come back in with your nail plate cleanser. Give that a good clean. Oh, look at the marble in that. Right, no white top coat. What's this drink called again? Jellyfish. How many times am I going to have to ask you? I really want one. What's in it? Did it say what was in it? Because, to be honest, the way it looks, I don't really care what's in it. I just want one.
One and a half ounces of vodka, 1.5 ounces of pure curacao, 1.5 ounce of white sambuca, and 1.5 ounces of cream.
Oh, I don't know the sambuca. I don't know about that. I try it, but sambuca don't sit well with me. I've had too many nights on sambuca.
See, I would rather have a sambuca. Oh. See, if I was doing shots, I'd rather have a sambuca than a tequila. I can't do the tequila. I like the smell of the sambuca.
To be honest, mate, it's been that long since I've had a drink, I don't think I can do alcohol anymore.
You can always just whack a Pernod in.
Okay, pop that out the lamp. We are going to finish off with the coconut cuticle oil, just to drop on there.
Because it's blue.
Because it's blue. And there you go, guys. That is your jellyfish cocktail.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.